Right now, we're seeing an unusual situation in finance sentiment, a slight negative sentiment score of -0.01, coupled with a strong momentum of +0.44. This combination is particularly striking because it suggests that while there's a positive upward trend in momentum, the overall sentiment is dipping just below neutral. This divergence could indicate that your audience is optimistic about future price movements, but simultaneously cautious or skeptical about current conditions. Using our API, you can quickly access this nuanced sentiment data, including 19 semantic clusters that provide context around the numbers. Imagine leveraging this insight to fine-tune your trading strategies or enhance your risk management models. Get started by checking out the documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's build something smart together.